In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure signing settings in DocuSign. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is log in to your DocuSign account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, let's navigate to the Admin section. This can be readily accessed by clicking on the Admin tab, which is prominently displayed on the navigation menu of the DocuSign interface. After clicking the tab, you might have to hold on for a brief moment as the page loads. This process might take a couple of seconds, depending on your internet connection speed, so there's no need to worry if it doesn't appear to be instantaneous. Once the page is fully loaded, you should see a comprehensive layout with various options and menus designed to help you manage and customize your DocuSign experience. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find an extensive panel filled with different operational categories. Here, you'll want to scroll down until you locate the section labeled Signing and Sending. Within this section, there's an option called Signing Settings. Go ahead and click on Signing Settings. This action will take you to a new set of options specifically tailored to managing and adjusting how signing works in your documents. Once you're in the Signing Settings area, you'll have the ability to view and modify a range of settings that govern the signing process within DocuSign. Whether you need to adjust email notification preferences, change the order in which signers receive documents, or tweak other details to better fit your workflow, you'll find those customizable options here. Take your time reviewing each setting, considering whether the default configuration suits your current needs or if any modifications are necessary. Keep in mind that the settings you adjust here will impact how future documents are signed, so it's worth taking special care to make selections that align with your intended processes. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you can effortlessly navigate and modify the signing settings within DocuSign. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need to make further adjustments to these settings. With your new configuration, you'll be able to enhance your document signing workflow, making it tailored to meet your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in optimizing your use of DocuSign.